Welcome to this tutorial. In this session, we'll show you how to set up your hospital settings prefixes within the hospital management system. These are the short codes that label your doctors, patients, appointments, and more, keeping every record consistent and easy to identify at a glance. Let's get started. From the sidebar, click the search menu and type hospital to quickly pull up the hospital options. Click Hospital Management to open the Hospital Management section. Next, click on System Setup to reach your configuration settings. From here, click Hospital Settings to adjust your hospital-specific configurations. Begin with the doctor prefix. Click on the field and input your code, such as #DOC. This tag will be displayed on every doctor's identifier. Now, proceed through the remaining items: the patient prefix, the appointment prefix, the bed prefix, the lab test prefix, the surgery prefix, and the ambulance request prefix. Assign each a concise, clear code. Maintaining distinct prefixes ensures your records are easily recognizable throughout the entire system. The system has already populated the prefixes for all of them. You can choose to use these or modify them to suit your preferences. Once they're all set, scroll down to the Preview section to review how your prefixes look before saving. A quick check that saves edits later. When everything looks right, click Save Changes to apply them. A confirmation message lets you know your hospital settings have been saved successfully. And that's a wrap on hospital settings prefixes. You've just learned how to customize the codes for your doctors, patients, appointments, and other records to keep everything consistent across your system. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial as we continue setting up your hospital management system.